Hey everybody, what's up? Saw here and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a field that's basically one giant engineering puzzle: farming. Forget your grandpa's tractor, we're talking cutting-edge tech robots, AI, drones, stuff that's going to blow your mind and put food on your plate. So buckle up, because today we're exploring the top 5 technologies revolutionizing farming as we know it. First up, we got to talk about AI, or artificial intelligence. We're talking about using computers to analyze massive amounts of data, and in farming, data is king. Farmers juggle a ton of variables: soil conditions, weather patterns, you name it. Imagine software that can predict crop yields with crazy accuracy just by crunching weather data and historical trends. AI can also help farmers optimize their practices, like figuring out the perfect time to plant, irrigate, and even harvest. This technology is already being used by farmers around the world, and it's only getting smarter and more accessible. We're talking about boosting yields, reducing waste, and making farming way more efficient, all thanks to the power of AI. Next up, let's talk about everybody's favorite flying gadgets: drones. Now, these aren't just for cool aerial shots anymore. In farming, drones are like having an extra set of eyes. And I'm not talking about some regular peepers. Drones can fly over vast fields and capture super detailed images of crops. They can analyze those images to identify signs of stress, disease, or nutrient deficiencies, even before they're visible to the naked eye. Drones can also be equipped with special sensors that can create 3D maps of the terrain. This helps farmers identify areas that need more water or fertilizer, making sure every inch of the field is getting exactly what it needs. And the best part is, drones are becoming more affordable and easier to use all the time. So whether you're a small-scale farmer or running a massive operation, drones are about to become your new best friend. Alright, so we've got AI analyzing data and drones keeping an eye on things from above, but what about beneath the surface? Enter smart sensors. These unsung heroes give farmers real-time soil insights, measuring moisture, nutrients, and temperature constantly. Data sent straight to smartphones or computers, detecting early signs of disease or pests. It's like an early warning system for crops. Say goodbye to guesswork, hello to data-driven decisions. Now, let's talk about the big boys. Tractors. But not just any tractors, we're talking about autonomous tractors, the self-driving vehicles that are about to change the farming game forever. These high-tech machines use GPS and sensors to navigate fields with precision. They can work day and night, rain or shine, without ever getting tired. Following pre-programmed paths, they reduce soil compaction and minimize crop damage. Autonomous tractors save money, reduce environmental impact, and increase efficiency. Last but not least, let's talk about the future of farming. And no, I'm not talking about farming on Mars, although that's pretty cool too. I'm talking about vertical farming, the innovative approach that's bringing agriculture to the heart of urban areas. Imagine this: skyscrapers filled with fresh produce, growing 365 days a year, regardless of the weather outside. In a vertical farm, crops are grown in stacked layers, using artificial lighting and hydroponics or aeroponics to deliver nutrients directly to the roots. Because vertical farms are completely enclosed, they're not affected by pests, diseases, or unpredictable weather. Plus, they use way less water and land compared to traditional farming, making them a much more sustainable option. Vertical farms can be located anywhere, from abandoned warehouses to rooftops, bringing fresh, local produce to urban areas that need it most. Alright folks, that's a wrap on our whirlwind tour of the top 5 technologies revolutionizing farming. From AI-powered analysis to drones buzzing overhead, smart sensors working underground, self-driving tractors, and futuristic vertical farms, the future of food is looking pretty darn exciting, wouldn't you say? And the best part is, these innovations aren't just for mega corporations. They're becoming more accessible every day, empowering farmers of all sizes to grow more food, use fewer resources, and create a more sustainable future for everyone. So what do you say? Are you ready to join the agricultural revolution? Let me know in the comments below which technology you're most excited about. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content.